Hello, this is NAVIFORCE unboxing review time again. Today I will bring you it's a men's watch. Now let's open the box to have a look. Okay, here we can see it's a guarantee card. We will provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's a manual book. Yes, today I will show you is this model NF9138. It's a multifunctional watch. Okay, let's have a look at the watch. Now we got this very beautiful watch. From this manual book, we can see here these models will have 5 function modes. I will show you now. You can see here there's 5 buttons. These 4 buttons is for adjusting the functions, and this crown, this bigger button crown, is for adjusting the hints, the time. And from now on, we change this model into the LED light. Press this button, we can see the lights very bright now. See? The light will keep 3 seconds. And if you want to change different mode, we can press this button now. We can see here it's the normal button. At 10 o'clock position is for the week. Now here shows it's the Thursday. And at 12 o'clock position here is for the date. Now is the April and 26th. And here is 3 o'clock window is the alarm clock. And at this bigger window here is for the time. And here now the second is working. Okay, let's press this button to see different mode. Now when here the 10 o'clock window shows 8 hours, it's the alarm clock mode. Now when it shows the ST, it's the stopwatch mode. Press again, here is the dual time mode. And here change to the TR. It means it's the countdown mode. And press again now and back to the normal mode. Okay, if you want to change the time or change different mode, you can read the manual book to teach you how to set each function. And also we will have another video to teach you how to set every single mode. These watches we make it the band is the stainless steel and very smooth and polished process of the band. When you receive the watch, we will have this plastic here to protect the buckle. And 2 steps to open the buckle. And press again this button to open it. And we can find the model number here, NF9138. Now this is the watch on my wrist. It's so cool, isn't it? It's like a cool guy. Cool boy is a military design style actually. Okay, this watch we got 4 colors. Later I will show them all to you. Okay, here is the 4 colors here. Just now I have shown you this silver band case and combine the black bezel model. And then here is the others, another 3 colors. And let's have a look at this coffee color. Yes, both all except the case is the rose gold color, and all others is the coffee color. It's a little heavy, this model. And the same, we press this button can change into different mode, and press this button can open the light. Wow, so cool, the light. Okay, have a close look at the camera. And this is the coffee color on my wrist. And then is the gold color. The gold color is we use the bezel is black, combine all the gold color. Now it's the normal number. Let me show you the light. It looks gorgeous, the color. It's amazing gold. And also I try it on my wrist. And the last one is the blue one. It's also the blue, combine the rose gold case, and the band is blue too. Here is the protection for the buckle. 2 steps to open the buckle. Actually, the blue one and the silver one is the best sell from our store. Okay, I try the same on my wrist. This color for men is very cool. Okay, these all 4 colors. Which one is your favorite? You can go to our official store to buy the best color you like. Okay, these are all for today. If you want to see more models, you can tell me the number of model. I will make it a review in the next video. Okay, this is all for today. See you next time. Bye.